Hello friends, welcome to the channel retailconnect.com. In this session, we will discuss how to get your new token with the help of refresh token in Gmail, or you can say for Google login or authentication to use the Gmail API or something. Okay, so you have a token and you should have an refresh token as well. Okay, and you have a client ID, client secret, and you have a redirect URL which we will need, okay, to create the authentication. Okay, so what you have to use, we have to use the Google APIs npm. From the npm you can install it, and then you will have to create the instance for this Google. And we have created a method here, you can say get token with refresh token. Okay, and we are just passing an email so you can track the or you can update in the database. And we have a refresh token passing here. Okay, now we have a Google auth. Okay, and we should have used client ID, secret, and redirect URL, which you should have to be set inside on the Google login. Okay, before getting this project code. Okay, now we will have auth client credentials dot refresh token. We will set our refresh token inside this client, auth to client. Okay, okay, and now we will call the method refresh access token inside this OAuth to client, which is the instance of Google Auth. Okay, and it will have error and tokens here. So if it will be success, then it will give you the tokens, and if it error, you will have error. If so, we have written here, if not error, then we are updating the token inside our database. So you can see based on the email we are updating the tokens in credentials. So this is the main method where which you can have to use to get your new token with the help of refresh token. Before calling this, you have to set your refresh token inside this auth credentials and refresh token. Okay, so you will get some credentials like this. uh, you will get this JSON as a tokens. These tokens will be look like this. Okay, and inside this you will have a scope. Okay, and you have token type, expiry date as well, and you will have ID token, access token, and refresh token. So these all things will be you will get. So new access token will be this, and you will have to use this refresh token again in next if you will have to call the access token. Okay. So again, see the code. We are using the Google APIs, which you can install from the npm package, and then after you will call the Google auth and set all this client ID, secret ID, and redirect URL, and then you will generate client and then set credentials refresh token, and you will have to call refresh access token, and it will give you tokens which you have to save for next use. Okay, so thanks for watching this session.